Hi, today we are comparing the Predator Triton 14 versus Predator Helios Neo 14. First, let's go to display comparison. Note, all of the laptop specs is based on the respective manufacturer website. If you have any corrections or suggestions in our comparison, please feel free to leave a comment and click the like button for more videos. Thank you, and let's get back into our video. Now let's go to I/O ports. Now in the communications comparison. Now let's get into the GPU comparison. Let's go into the processing comparison. Now let's move into the memory and storage comparison. Now the final comparison, the design and features. Price comparison. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more laptop comparison. Drop a comment down below on which model you prefer. Thank you and see you next time.